Have you ever heard that Google is a bathroom wall? Well, the reason why is anybody can write anything about any company. As a business owner, your company and its reputation is everything. Well, what's stopping other people from writing negative things about your company that's not true? If it happens, who's managing that reputation? Your answer is Authority Solutions. Authority Solutions is here to manage your reputation and make sure that the good things about your company are being seen and not the bad things. Contact us at authoritysolutions.com.